And we're back to exploring generative fill. Let me show you what I found out when it comes to removing parts, let's say the braces right here or the necklace. Just make a general selection. I'll use the lasso tool for it. Something like this should be fine. And then you don't leave the prompt empty, instead you write no braces. So whatever you want to remove, you add no in front of it. And you don't even have to add teeth or no braces replaced with teeth, something like this. Just add no before whatever you want to remove. And the results are usually pretty fine. Let's take care of the necklace here. And this also works well, so it has even kept the hair on the left hand side so that it fits perfectly. Let me give you different results where we have a back tattoo right here. And now I write no tattoo. I'll keep the left for comparison. And this removes it perfectly and gives you even this high skin retouching style. Let me take care of the bigger one. Once again, no tattoo. And there you go. Even the muscles of the back are perfectly placed. So instead of leaving the prompt empty when you want to remove something, try to add no and then add what you want to have removed. And so far it has created better results for me than just leaving the prompt empty. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.